How can we get the value of this angle marked x in this diagram? All right, we need to remember our lessons or knowledge of isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle always have two equal sides, and of course, the base angles must be equal. If you look at this our diagram, this is the part which is the isosceles triangle. All right, this portion here is it here, and to the base angles will be this and that. We expect this angle to be equal to this angle. All right, so from there we're able to proceed to get our value of the angle x. How do we get this angle? We look at this line. Angles on a straight line sum up to form 180 degrees. So if we call this angle A, then we expect 140 plus A to give us 180 degrees. So A will be equal to 180 minus 140. So the value of A is just 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. All right, since this is an isosceles triangle, we expect this one also to be 40 degrees. Okay, so this angle 40 degrees, this angle 40 degrees. What about this one now? Angle B. Remember, it is part of the interior angles of that triangle. We expect sum of all the interior angles of a triangle. We expect that sum again to be 180 degrees. All right, so the value of B will be 180 minus this sum minus 80. That gives us 100 degrees. So this angle is 100 degrees. Remember, we want to look for the angle x. So we have to consider this line now. This line is a straight line. And the angle x and the angle b, they all lie on that line. You see, if you start from here and you move and you end to where b ends, you see angles on a straight line. So their sum, we expect their sum to be 180 degrees. So x plus b must be 180 degrees. We know B is 100 degrees. So x plus 100 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle x will be 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. So the value of the angle x is 80 degrees.